Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Removal. On the bottom of the notebook, slide the battery release latch, identified with a battery icon, to the release position. Slide the battery out of the battery bay. Replacement. Caution: to avoid damaging the battery locking mechanism, be sure that the battery release latch is in the unlocked position. Slide the battery into the battery bay until it is properly seated and the battery release latch clicks. Slide the battery release latch, identified with a battery icon, to the locked position to secure the battery in the battery bay. Caution: any red visible under the battery release latch indicates that the battery is not securely locked in the battery bay. This may allow the battery to slide out inadvertently and cause damage to the battery and anything it impacts.